Hello, it's Adam, and here is About Me, Series 13, and that fits in well with Doctor Who. And the next two, these are more, they suit the Lord of the Rings, and this is what I'm waiting for. They were easy to spot, these ones. The King, and this is the Emperor, and look what else I got. The Mixel. Now I'll change the colour to the black. See that? I'm keeping the other pieces for Hogwarts. So there, I converted it. It's made all black, see. So there's my haul for June. And all of the gold pieces from that Mixel. See, saving up the gold. So there we go. See you all. Bye.